In this video we'll see how to make a half double crochet. In case if you missed my previous video for a single crochet, I'll link it in the description. Let's get started. Hi there, my name is Jeffy. Welcome to my Crochet Euphoria. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. So without further ado, let's get started. Today we're making a half double crochet. So I'm making a foundation chain here, starting with a slip knot. For this video I will be making a chain of 10 and we will be starting from the third chain from the hook. So I will chain 10 and I will make 2 additional chains to get the height of a half double crochet to start off the row. So like you remember, I mentioned in my previous video, in a single crochet we always start off our single crochet row with a chain 1. So therefore over here we will start with a chain 2. Whenever we count the stitches, the loop on our hook doesn't count as a stitch, so we'll start from the chain next to the hook. So I'm chaining 2 here. Okay, now 1, 2 and 3. This is the third chain where we will be inserting our hook and starting our half double crochet. So I'll yarn over. This way I have 2 loops on my hook and insert my hook into the third chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now after this I have 3 loops on my hook. Now in a half double crochet we will pull through all the 3 loops. This is how we make a half double crochet. Let me do it one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. See, we have 2 half double crochets now on our hook. Let's do it a couple of times. Yarn over, insert the hook into the upper loop of the next stitch, next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. While we are completing the remaining half double crochet stitches over here, I would like to ask you if this video is being helpful, if my previous videos on the basic stitches, if they are bringing any value to you. Please do let me know in the comments below. It would really mean a lot. It will help me make videos that bring value to you, so please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do the rest of the stitches off camera and I will come back. Now we are at the last 2 stitches. I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook into my second last stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now you'll see in some time after the half double crochet row is complete, compared to our single crochet, a half double crochet is got more height. I'm just going to chain 1 and snip the yarn so that I can lock the yarn in place. Okay, this completes our half double crochet row, and this is how it looks. Now compared to a single crochet, a half double crochet has a bit more height, like so. In my next videos you'll see even the double crochet and a triple crochet are double the size of a single and a half double crochet. So stay tuned. Thank you.